Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Windows 10 search bar not displaying, not showing results fix. Right-click Start button, click Run, type regedit. Click and expand H key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows. Click and expand current version, click search. Create new DWord 32-bit value named as Bing search enabled, change value data to 0, click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.